Looking to securely fix your toilet to the floor? The VeeBath toilet fixing kit makes the job simple and hassle-free, with everything you need including long screws for extra strength, wall plugs, washers, L-brackets, and screw caps. It fits most standard United Kingdom toilet pans. Designed with durability and style in mind, VeeBath products are made to last and bring a fresh look to your bathroom. Plus, it comes with a 5-year guarantee. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the comment. Are you looking for a reliable and versatile toilet cistern fill valve? Meet the Ibergrif M20521 cistern, designed for effortless installation and optimal performance. It features 2 installation options for both bottom and side fill applications, making it perfect for 1-piece or 2-piece toilets. The adjustable height allows you to set the water level precisely, while the built-in filter ensures clean water flow. Made from durable ABS plastic and brass, it's built to last for many flushes to come. Easy to install for everyone. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to upgrade your toilet with a reliable and easy to install solution? The VHEUHZ Dual Flush offers convenient dual flushing options to save water and improve efficiency. It comes complete with everything you need for quick setup, including threaded rods and fixing screws. Just make sure your toilet's flush button size is around 44.51 mm for the perfect fit. Enjoy quality, ease, and eco-friendly benefits with the VHEUHZ Dual Flush. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the XINSENYUE Sigma Flush Plate, a luxurious and stylish addition to your Ibergrif concealed toilet system wall hung frame. Designed for models Sigma 01, Sigma 20, Sigma 30, and Sigma 50, this chrome silver flush plate offers both half flush and full flush functions for water efficiency. Beautifully crafted and easy to install, it adds the touch of elegance to your bathroom. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the comment.